Are you tired of constantly feeling overwhelmed and unproductive? Do you find yourself struggling to focus and get things done? If so, then the Pomodoro technique might be just what you need to boost your time management skills. First, let's go over the basics. The Pomodoro technique involves breaking your workday into 25-minute intervals, called Pomodoros, followed by a 5-minute break. After 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break of around 15-20 minutes. This technique can help you stay focused and productive, as well as prevent burnout. To get started, choose a task to work on and set a timer for 25 minutes. During this time, focus exclusively on the task at hand and resist the urge to check your phone or get distracted by other tasks. When the timer goes off, take a 5-minute break to stretch, walk around, or do something else to refresh your mind. One of the benefits of the Pomodoro technique is that it can help you avoid procrastination. When you know you only have 25 minutes to work on a task, it can be easier to start working on it and stay motivated. Additionally, by taking regular breaks, you can give your brain time to rest and recharge, which can improve your overall productivity and focus. It's important to note that the Pomodoro technique may not work for everyone, and it may take some trial and error to find the best Pomodoro duration and break intervals for your work style. However, many people find this technique to be a helpful tool in their time management arsenal. In summary, the Pomodoro technique can be a game changer for anyone looking to improve their productivity and time management skills. By breaking your workday into manageable intervals and taking regular breaks, you can stay focused, avoid burnout, and get more done. So give it a try and see how it can work for you.